What is light-emitting cement? Light-emitting cement is a green construction material designed to illuminate highways, roads and bicycle lanes without using electricity. Light-emitting cement absorbs solar energy during the day and radiates light at night. This innovative cement was developed by Dr. Jose Carlos Rubio from the Michoacan University of Saint Nicolas of Hidalgo in Mexico. The research focused on modifying the microstructure of cement to absorb solar energy and emit light in darkness. Cement is an opaque material that does not allow light to pass through its interior. When water is added to cement, crystal flakes are formed as a result of hydration reaction. These crystals block the absorption of solar energy. The researchers' main objective was to modify this microstructure of the cement to eliminate the crystals so that the incoming light can penetrate deep into cement or concrete structure. The cement is also made phosphorescent so that the solar energy is absorbed and released. The light-emitting cement, when combined with water, changes completely to gel form so that it absorbs solar energy and releases it in the form of light. In the daytime, the light-emitting cement structure acts as a storage device. During this time, the whole mass is soaked in sunlight and the electrons within the mass are in an excited state. During the night, these electrons return to their original state, due to which light is emitted. This cement can provide light continuously for 12 hours without the use of electricity. Light-emitting cement is made out of sand, silica, alkali and water. To give it in the light-emitting property, the materials go through a polycondensation process performed at room temperature. The chemical reaction between these raw materials produces a strong mixture that looks like a gel. It also gives fewer amount of unwanted crystal flakes. The only residue left after its production is steam. The material is currently manufactured in green or blue. During the manufacturing, the scientists add certain additives to alter the optical properties of the material so that it converts to a phosphorescent material. Hence, the microstructure changes to a non-crystalline structure that is similar to a glass, which allows the passage of light. Hope this video was informative. For more informative videos, subscribe to The Constructor.